Are we dot-centric or are we form-centric? And I would advocate for both. In the early part of the season, I would advocate for being incredibly dot-centric. Students need to know what their individual responsibilities are, start grappling how they move through space and time regardless of the people around them. Then as we get further into the season, then they need to start being more ensemble form aware. If for nothing else in that it helps zone in the adjustments they need to make. If they're aware of the form and they realize that they're slightly out of the form, then they can either check the app to see if they are pacing correctly or see what's happening around that. So in this case, there's two ways to tackle this rotating block. The first one will just be an ensemble awareness form. Right? And all we're trying to do is we're trying to get them to use their eyes, to have active eyes. Okay, well, what does this mean? What does this look like? So your hand is the extension of the form, right? So if you are putting your hand right in front of you, then you should be able to draw a line from your hand through the sternum of the people around you. In this rotating block, there are two places that they need to be aware of. The first is their vertical files. And then on count 9, by that time the rotation happens, then they need to be aware of this diagonal. We point to this ensemble form. Notice that there are some students who are not raising their hand. It's because they are the point people, right? They're not relating to anybody. They're still dot-centric. So we're seeing a combination of the two mindsets here. So you're going to see them pointing, and then on count 9, they're going to switch. And it's a visual indicator for us on the tower or on staff or on field that they're processing what they're doing within the drill set, within the motion. They're real-time analyzing.